Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted, Unfiltered, and as always, oh man, I'm tired. This video is brought to you by Kunuko Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. You know, some people drink coffee to wake them up, drink coffee for the taste, some drink coffee for the ritual, and some drink whatever's being offered in the gasoline station. That's not you. I know who you are. Watch pirates who are aficionados of not just watches but also coffee. I invite you to taste one of the finest handcrafted coffee in Aruba from Kunuko Coffee Roasters. And if ever you're here, you'll be able to enjoy a small batch, big flavored, zero nonsense coffee. I guarantee. Don't take my word for it. Okay. Now that I've wasted 1 minute of your time, it's time for the actual unboxing video. That's such a lame cut. There you go. That's an actual cut right there. Okay. Sorry, we just had to unbox this so we can release this by tomorrow. I don't want this to be in the weekend staring at me, telling me, "Hey guys, unbox me." I don't know if they actually sound like that, but anyway. This is coming from This is coming from a familiar brand recently. Yes, it's from that controversial brand, once again, Filippo, Loreti. They're really trying to redeem themselves. They're really trying to win the hearts of the watch enthusiasts. Let's see if they're going to succeed with this one. Well, honestly, I have very low expectations with that. I know that this is a very affordable watch, so it's not gonna have any special features whatsoever, but the feature would probably be the price and the movement and the design. So let's see. Yes. Okay, I'm not really surprised because I know what this watch is going to be. It is the Ascari Lapmaster. Wait, was it Lapmaster? What was it again? Let's do a quick search. Ascari. Okay. Let's see. Okay, well, my watch. Let's unbox this. Okay, now, first and foremost, I like this clasp. It's much better than the first one that they sent me. This one is a little bit more finessed, more durable, more solid, and it's still not the ones with the quick release, quick extension ones that we see from microbrands. Okay, there's the back here. Let's do that. There's the case back. Okay, now I understand what some are saying about this case back. Okay. Okay, let's jump right into that. That's kind of disappointing, that case back. If the first Filippo Loreti that they sent us, the disappointment was on the clasp, this one is on the case. I think they could have done a lot better with this case back, man. Anyway, well, I'll dive into that in the product review. Okay, let's see. Do they have a plastic? I think there's a plastic here. Let's take that out. Okay, there we go. So that's a Filippo Loreti chronograph for sure, as you can see there. Let's move this stuff. Okay, sorry about that. So 4 minutes in, you could see the actual watch. It's not bad. I like the unique. Okay, I always throw around the word unique pretty liberally, but I like the unusual curved glass that you can see here that curves also down to the bezel. The bezel is very shiny, and I'm pretty sure this is aluminum bezel, if I may say so. And what is this now? It is a Lapmaster. Okay, watch pirates, I know what you guys are thinking. This is the Ascari Lapmaster, but what's special about this is part of the weekly creations that they have, the weekly creations program. And this one has the kind of like zenith lateral texture that we have going on, but on a chronograph, and there's some hints of color on the subdial there. Let's put it on the wrist. Let's see. So really my flux foot rest there. Okay, there we are. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty decent on the. Okay, now I can feel the bracelet. The bracelet is pretty light, guys. Okay, that's also another thing that we need to talk about. That's something that they could have improved on. Okay, so Filippo Loreti is still trying their best, but I guess if this is their best, it's still not gonna win many people's hearts, as if you ask me. But hey, maybe the price would make you think twice. Let's see. The date there. It's a grand date also, as you can see. Okay, now. Whoa, that's me. Let's see there. Ah, okay, there you go. I've never handled this kind of a grand date complication before. Okay. Oops. Remove that. Sorry about that. Let's see if there. Oh, there's no threaded crown there. Okay. And it's still a quartz chronograph. Alright, that's what you can see there. It has a snapback. It has these middle links that are shiny and a fingerprint magnet. The case is pretty good. I like the case. That's not bad. I like the crown also. What's that? I've never seen the... I think that's a checkered flag right there. Okay. So they tried to infuse a lot of details on this one. I've seen their other Ascari models, and this is a very welcome pop of orange here. Kind of like reminiscent of Planet Ocean, Omega Planet Ocean. Don't you agree? That right? There's a Planet Ocean vibe in there. I like the shiny bits here. Some brushings. Yeah, the brushings are a little bit soft. Yeah, the bracelet. Okay, they're still lacking on the bracelet department. So let me know what you guys think about this Filippo Loreti Ascari Lapmaster Orange. Right, let's just call it orange. We'll put the product name on the product review, and as always, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and interesting comments. You can roast Filippo Loreti. I welcome that. They welcome that, it seems. So feel free to voice out all of your opinions and see if this one let's see if this one will survive by the next product review. Yeah, that bracelet, man, that bracelet, they need to improve on that.